Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, everybody. Most welcome in this English class. Children, today we have to learn how to change sentences of future indefinite tense or simple future tense into passive voice form. You all are ready for this?
Yes, sir.
And today I have changed some steps for changing this given sentence of simple future tense into passive voice form. So you must watch, listen, and note accordingly.
Okay, sir.
Then come to the point. A structure for changing sentences of simple future tense into passive voice. Like other sort of sentences, first of all, we come to know about given prescribed structure. Object of given sentence is changed into subject, then shall or will is used as per requirement of, as that means as per the number and person of the selected subject. Then be is used, and finally third form of verb is used. Thereafter by is used, and subject is changed into object. To clear this idea, we go through two examples and finally clarify it by telling the structure with that of given example. Let us see example first. I shall help you. This is the sentence of simple future tense, which means मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा. In Hindi it means मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा. I shall help you. This sentence is already in active voice form, and when we need to change it in passive voice form, then we need to change object into subject. Here object is you, which is changed into subject by shifting its position. So in passive voice, you come first, then as per number and person of this you, we use will with it. Then be is used over here. Then third form of verb help is used, that is help. Help becomes help. Then by is used, and finally the subject is changed into object. That is I becomes changed into me. Consequently, the basic form becomes you will be helped by me. तुम मेरे द्वारा मदद किए जाओगे. इट्स हिंदी मीनिंग इज तुम या आप मेरे द्वारा मदद किए जाओगे. We can tally this passive form with this given structure. For clarification, here I have given clarification box. You can see object turned into subject is you. Helping verb will has been used over here. Then be, thereafter third form of verb help, and then by, and finally subject changed into object. So with the help of this clarification box, you can watch it accurately. to clarify this idea, we go also with another example. Example second is, they will publish 2 books in June. Its passive will be 2 books will be published by them in June. Again, to clear your idea, you need to tally this sentence with that of this structure. That is, here you see object 2 books has been used first as a subject. Thereafter, as per its number and person, will be has been used. Then third form of verb, published, then by, and then subject changed as an object, and finally other words. In this way, you can practice more and more example to grasp it and 200%. Homework is change given sentences into passive voice form. First sentence is, Nityanand will record the speech. Second example, we shall discuss the matter tomorrow. Third example is, someone will solve your problem. Fourth example is, Corona will enforce you for self-defense. And fifth example is, that is not it is example, it is to convert into passive voice form. That is, Corona will check human immunity as well as purity indirectly. So you have to change all these 5 sentences into passive voice form and must get it checked, so that you can learn next phase of this voice in next class.
Thank you,
very much.
sir.
Thank you very much.